Hello, friends. Welcome back to Walking in Magic. Welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome if you're brand new. I'm so delighted to have you. Thank you for being here. My name is Maria Alejandra. You can call me MA. And in this space, we seek to find the intersecting points between our beautiful human selves and our divine selves. And we do that by walking in magic and choosing to see life as an altar of creation. Really, your whole life is a ritual. And in that spirit, I thought, how could we bring in some new beautiful energy and opening for this new calendar year, 2024? Whenever you happen to listen to this, know that it's been created with the intention of helping us to soften our hearts as we open into new possibilities and to inspire you to go onward and to walk in your own magic. I'm using my medicine woman drum here for the first time, which I am so delighted to do so. You may not hear the drum too much. It's more to keep a beat and keep an intention of rhythmic, cyclical, carousel-like consistency, which is one of the big themes of this year. Rhythm. The moon is helping us with that as well. And this drum always reminds me of the moon because it looks like a moon and because I use it to sing with her. I am going to play a meditation track with this. So just sit back, receive, find yourself in a comfortable spot, and enjoy. Also, I'll share whatever comes through is always channeled and intuited in the moment. While I have some threads of sort of the pulses of what wants to come through based on my observations and based on what I'm feeling in the air, it's always a unique experience. So what you're receiving is born in this moment, which I also find is quite magical. And also a big trust exercise always for me. Find yourself in just a comfortable spot and just breathe easy. Easy, nice, rhythmic breaths. There's nowhere else to be but here right now. And I do hope that you will continue walking in magic with me throughout this year. Wherever your story finds you, know that it is the perfect moment for you. You are in your story and you get to walk it, focused on what's ahead. Honoring what you've left behind. Take a nice breath in. As we enter this year with so much happening and swirling around us and within us, we have an invitation to soften. Soften your heart. Soften your shoulders. Soften your eyes. Soften and open your hands to receive. Soften your mind. Wherever you've been feeling a sense of tense energy, breathe into that space now, whether it's physical, emotional, spiritual, mental. Allow a breath of fresh air to come through you in that space and bring with it opportunity. Can we believe? Can we believe in new expansive opportunities for all of us? I find myself sitting with this notion that as the world encounters its hardships, as we encounter our own, the softening and opening of our hearts and minds and souls is the antidote. if we're walking around life feeling armored, combative, like we have to explain and justify, fearful, regretful, all of these energies, all of these old, stagnant, repetitive patterns will just hold you back from the potentials that want to be experienced. And in a very simple way, we can see that with our energy cluttered, there's less capacity for us to enact momentum forward. To be with what is raw and vulnerable and scary. And to be with what is freeing. As I told my 7-year-old son last night, in the turning of this calendar year, he asked me about magic. And I said, magic is the belief in what you are capable of. Are you willing to walk in the belief of what you are capable of? Are you willing to lay down the baggage that you've been carrying for so long in order to have free hands to create new things? Are you willing to find forgiveness and to find gratitude? Are you willing to cry healing tears? Tears that cleanse you from within? Are you willing to run up to a symbolic mountaintop and scream out who you are and what you desire, what you believe in? Breathe in. Breathe in and exist in this moment. Feel a pulse of light gently illuminating you from within, from your heart, from your solar plexus, from your throat. Allow these points of light to become passageways for your courage, for your truth, for words of love, for words of healing, for words of wisdom, for laughter, for the authentic expression of who you are. Remember to breathe. You have a unique light print, my friend. Light print is what I call your essence, what you came coded with in this lifetime. Your knowledge, your experience, your gifts, your quirks, your delights, and your challenges, the obstacles you've faced, all stories that are woven together to create this beautiful expression of who you are. There is a point within you from where everything radiates. And that space may feel calcified, hardened, covered up. It's time for a new dawn to break within you. Feel it. Feel the new dawn breaking within your very soul, within the fiber of your being. Breathe into that. Breathe into that. Breathe, believe, and receive. In this meandering journey of life and this new quest that we have before us of 2024, how will you radiate your light? How will you encourage others to radiate theirs? Breathe. Breathe and soften. Soften the tension. Soften the expectations. Soften the judgments. Soften all the ways that you think you have to protect yourself. Soften in order to become more flexible and malleable. Creation seeks to be born through us, and in order to do that, we must become malleable, flexible, more porous, so that the beauty and the wonders of the new energies of the universe and our own spirit selves and just the love that connects us all can pour through us. And so with this breaking of a new dawn within you, let's ask for all those points that are calcified within us to be dissolved. And let's ask for the courage to continue to walk forward, onward, to know when to pause, when to rest, to look around, to be both focused on our path and flexible on it as well. Take a breath in and out. One more breath in and out. Keep your eyes closed, and I want to thank you for being on this journey with me, with all of us together. One more breath in. Whew, let that out with a sigh. Shake, 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 shake. You can open your eyes whenever you're ready. May you be wise, may you be free, and may you always speak your truth. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. Farewell, my friends. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, sharing, liking, all the good things. I look forward to a luminous 2024 ahead. I have a few videos, and I was recently a guest on a podcast where we talked about what to come, opportunities, always opportunities for growth and expansion. We have a big year ahead of us, so let's do it together. All my love and stardust. I'll see you next time. Adios.